You know what doesn't go well together? Me and bicycle shorts. So I've been told. But do you know what also doesn't go well together? Cars and bicycles. If there's ever an uneasy relationship, it's those two fighting over the rights of way and the use of bike lanes. But you know, bicyclists have every right to share the road with our four-wheel counterparts. When they collide, it's a David and Goliath situation. Distracted drivers are out there more than ever, and they are causing death and destruction at unprecedented rates, and you, the bicycle riding public, are among the casualties. Aside from the helmet, and you should always wear your helmet, that stylish European spandex unitard doesn't provide much in the way of protection when you get hit by a car and getting slammed to the ground. Last year, there were close to 900 bicycle fatalities and 48,000 reported injuries to bicyclists from motor vehicle crashes. And that's just the reported cases. And added to the mix are electric bikes, or e-bikes as the cool kids call them. E-bikes are becoming more and more popular in the United States. There were over 880,000 e-bikes sold in the U.S. last year with sales of over $1.3 billion. And those numbers are just going to keep on going up. Why? Because they're cheap to maintain, and with more and more people working from home, they can get by without needing a car to get back and forth to work. With the increase of bikes on the road, this also means that bicycle-related injuries are going to go up as well. How can you stay safe? Well, like anything, knowledge is power, my friends. Don't assume that because you or your bike are lit up brighter than a disco ball, that drivers are going to spot you. You got to do more to keep yourself safe. When you ride a bicycle on a public roadways, you have to follow the rules of the road. That means stopping at stop signs, stopping at red lights, yielding to pedestrians and crosswalks, riding with traffic, not against it. You can't ride the wrong way down a one-way street. And do not, I repeat, do not ride on the sidewalk. I mean, you can certainly do or not do any of these things and be a rebel and flip up your nose to the man because no one's going to tell you how to ride. But it's your actions and your obedience to the traffic laws that are going to be scrutinized if you wind up getting hurt. And if it's because you weren't following the rules of the road, you very well might not be able to make a claim against the person that hit you because chances are you were the one at fault for causing the crash. I had a guy call me up the other day. He was riding his e-bike in the bike lane of a one-way street going in the direction of traffic, right? So far, so good. But he was going faster than the traffic and he was whizzing past the cars on his left. All of a sudden, one of those cars ahead of him took a right-hand turn in front of him and he had no time to react and he crashed into it. He totaled his bike and he broke his shoulder. He gave me a call, he wanted to make a claim, but I had to give him the bad news that he was at fault. Why? Because you can't pass on the right. Rules of the road 101. Hey, just because you're that dude who can stay balanced while at a full stop at a red light without unclipping your shoes from your pedals, it doesn't mean you're invincible. Awesome, maybe, but not invincible. Like my third grade teacher, Mrs. Mulcahy, said to me on more than one occasion, pay attention. I'm Dave Buckley. I'm a personal injury attorney. I hope you're never hurt on a bicycle, but if you are, give me a call. I'd be happy to talk to you. I've lots of other videos on personal injury, so be sure to check those out too. Thanks for watching.